Are you ready to create powerful professional infographics animation that will wow your audience? Welcome to Soluma channel. In this video, we will show you step by step how to design stunning infographics animation in PowerPoint that will captivate your audience. This tutorial is packed with pro tips, creative ideas, and easy to follow techniques. Stick around to the end of this video to master how to design this with ease. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing tutorials. Now let's dive into the video.
Okay, select blank slide. After that, right click, format background, select gray color. Alright. Next, come to this and then select this rectangle top corner rounded. And yes, we draw. Okay, beautiful. Once that is done, let's extend this a bit more, and then we go to rotate, and we rotate with this. Okay, now the next thing we do is we have to say no outline, and then we can duplicate this, Ctrl D, and then push it downward. Awesome. Next we select this oval shape, hold shift, and then draw. Another stuff is to duplicate, bring this over to this place, ensure it's at the center, click this, hold, select this, come to mesh shape and say subtract, and boom, we have this shape effect. The next is for us to go to this format shape. If that is not there, just right click on the shape and go to format. However, we have that, we move to shape effect. In the shape effect, let's go to 3D format, and here we select this, beautiful. The next we do is to this shape, we reduce the size, let's say we reduce the size to 2, okay, and then we move it to this. All right, once we able to get that, which we can say, let's reduce it to 1.8. okay, that's we position it at the center. Once we're able to get that, come select this, let it be white, and then we come here and the transparency, let's give it 80. Awesome. And that's, we hit enter. Okay, the next we do is we bring this over to this place, and boom, we have that. Click on this, hold Control, select this, and then go to make shape and subtract. Beautiful. We have this shape here. Next we do is we click on this and duplicate, get this, and then right click, format shape. Let's remove the transparency. Awesome. Now the next we will do here is go over to this rectangle, and then we draw this, click on this, hold Control, select this. All right, awesome. We have this. Well, let's go and rotate. Okay, let's make this color, let's color it, let's say we make it purple, and this, let's say no outline, and then we select let's select this, and then let's select something like this. Beautiful. Now once we are able to get this, the next we'll do is to get a rectangular shape, draw a rectangular shape, bring it to this, ensure that is properly aligned, and then let's extend it a bit. Awesome. Next is we come here and we make it white, no outline. All right, this is what we have, and this select text box and we draw inside. Let's say we put here, insert your contents. Okay. Okay. And let's position it here. Move to the front. All right. That end. Okay, now we have our icon in this. I will bring it inside here. I drop a tool, come to this and make it this color. The next I will do is select all this and say Ctrl G to group. Beautiful. Having done that, I will move it back to this place and then come to shape format, send to the back. Awesome. And then use my arrow key to align perfectly well. And that we have. The next is to apply our animation. And to do that, we will go to animation. Under animation, we click on add animation, move down to the line motion parts. We click to drop down, and then we go to the effects and we select this. We have this. Awesome. That's all right. Another thing we can do is we bring this down small, and then we have stuff like this. Okay. Now, once that is done, we are going to select this, hold Control, drag this one down, hold Control again, and we have this over here. Okay. Let's move it up and bring it forward, and let's move this backward. Like this, and move this up a bit and bring it back. Awesome. Okay, we come to animation, go to animation pane, this, select this, come here and say start after previous, and let's give it a delay of 1 minute. Come to this, let's say start after previous, and let's also give it a delay of 1 minute, and boom, that's all right. And to wrap up this video, we come here and put a text box and say stage 1. Okay, we can say uppercase, select your desired fonts, as bold. I like that. All right. Once that is done, place it at the center here, and then make it white. Ctrl D, bring it down here, another Ctrl D down here, then change it to 2, and change this one and make it 3. After that, the next we do is come here, go to shape format, select the color, and make this color, and then come to this. We can make it this color. Okay. All right. This, come here, we can like this, select this, and then we can go to more color texture and select a bit of this. and let's see. Okay, and here we go.
Yeah, this is your amazing infographics animation effect for your presentation, sales speech, academic presentation. Thank you for sticking by. If you are yet a subscriber, please, we ask that you subscribe, like this video, and do turn your notification bell. Thank you.